Oh, this is Jenny. If she she loves people. She wants to just be by you and touch you, and that tail just doesn't stop wagging. She is a lovey girl. She is so sweet. I just can't get her video. She's so lovable. She is just a lovey girl. So Jenny is fully trained. She actually went through a doggy boot camp. Is that correct? Yeah. And she knows all of her manners, house manners, completely housebroken. This is an advanced obedience trained dog. She is a rescue dog, and she's up for adoption. She's fully vetted, and she's cat friendly and kid friendly. And I still can't get, she just wants to touch you and be by you and rub up against you. She's totally adorable and sweet as all get out.
Loves her toys.
She loves her toys. She loves to carry sticks around in her mouth.
Loves
And
her crate.
she loves being in her crate. And she's got good doggy manners in the house. And she rides good in a car. And I still can't get the video very good. She's just a happy girl. Just super happy. So Jenny, will you let me get your video? I know, lovey girl. So Jenny is looking for her forever family. She would do well in a home with children, and she would do well with even an older retired couple. She is easy to handle. She's just full of joy, though. Just got so much love to give. And you still got a stick in your mouth. You do, silly girl. Call her over there, Manuela, so I can try to get her. I can't seem to get a very good video of her.
Jenny, come here, honey.
Says, I like you.
Jenny, come here. Jenny.
How much does she weigh? Do you know? About 50?
60 pounds.
60 pounds, okay. So.
Jenny. Let me try to put.
There you go. That's great. There you go. It's healthy. Come here, Jenny. Hi, love. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, good girl. Just a good girl. So if you would like to adopt Jenny, and you can go to our website and put an application in, and this cat-friendly girl will bring you lots of smiles and love and sweetness in the home. Good girl. Good girl. Kisses, kisses. Lots of kisses.